known as heat engine. Heat engine is a device which converts the heat into the mechanical energy. हीट इंजन आप सभी जानते हैं जिसमें हीट एनर्जी को मैकेनिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करके वर्क या यूजफुल वर्क में हम लोग बदल सकते हैं. Therefore, heat engine is an important device which is totally based on the thermodynamic process. Especially the first law of thermodynamics and concept of internal energy is applied here. So, heat engine is a device which convert heat energy into the mechanical energy or useful work. The principle behind the heat engine work that you know very well, that a system whose different parts are at different temperatures tends to change towards the state until it becomes in equilibrium. Therefore, here are the main parts or flow chart related to the heat engine. The most important part is source. It always remains at a temperature T1, and here a working substance and a sink. The working substance takes any amount of heat from the source without changing its temperature. Suppose the working substance receives a heat Q1 from the source, and some part of the Q1 is converted into the useful work or mechanical work, and rest amount of the heat is rejected to another known as sink. Sink also have a different temperature T2. Its also temperature does not change if it can receive any amount of heat energy. Therefore, three main parts of the heat engine are here. First one is source. A hot body from which the working substance can take the energy, and it is the high temperature, is known as source. And second one is sink. It is maintained at the lower temperature, or you can say that it is a cold body. A cold body is maintained at the lower temperature, which absorbs the heat rejected by the working substance. And in engine, working substance is nothing but diesel, petrol or anything else. Nowadays electric is also used. तो वर्किंग सब्सटेंसेस का जो होता है वो कोई मटेरियल होगा जो एक पर्टिकुलर जगह पे काम करेगा और हीट एनर्जी के थ्रू वो मैकेनिकल वर्क परफॉर्म करेगा. तो ए मटेरियल which receives the heat energy from the source and converted into the mechanical energy called useful energy, and rest amount of heat is rejected to the sink is called working substance. In this way, we have to explain the main part of the heat engine. We are talking about the heat engine. Now, here are small mathematical concept and the efficiency of heat engine. All heat engine is a cyclic process because the temperature of the working substance remain as it was before the absorption of the heat or energy from the source. Therefore, at each cycle, the working substance comes to its initial stage, and that's why it is a cyclic process. Now suppose here Q1 is the amount of heat absorbed by the working substance from the source, and Q2 is the amount of heat rejected to the sink, and W is the mechanical energy or work performed in each cycle. Since it is a cyclic process, therefore change in internal energy is zero. As usual, you know that in the first law of thermodynamics. So since there is no change in the temperature of working substance at the end of each cycle, then du is equal to internal energy final minus internal energy inertial is 0. Now by first law, dq is equal to du plus w, that is heat, internal energy and work done. This is the important relation or equation of first law of thermodynamics. Now here du is 0, that's why dq must be dw. W, and W is nothing but Q1 minus Q2. Therefore, the difference of the heat energy is converted into the work. This is the principle of heat energy. Now, what is the efficiency of an engine? Efficiency of an engine is the ratio of useful work and the heat energy absorbed by the working substance from the source, that is W upon Q1. तो कितनी एनर्जी, हीट एनर्जी वर्किंग सब्सटेंस एब्जॉर्ब करता है सोर्स से और उसका कितना पार्ट वो वर्क में परफॉर्म करता है, इसके रेशियो को हम इफिशियंसी ऑफ इंजन बोलते हैं. तो पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ योर W Q1 minus Q2 upon Q1, and this become 1 minus Q2 upon Q1, and this is the efficiency of heat engine. Here the any quantity is subtracted from 1, therefore heat engine have efficiency is less than 1. This is another truth that no engine is 100% efficient. कोई भी इंजन 100% इफिशियंट नहीं होता है, कोई ना कोई अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रिजेक्ट होती है सिंक में. तो इस तरीके से हीट इंजन की इफिशियंसी और वर्किंग ऑफ हीट इंजन डिस्क्राइब किया गया.